Front's live dashboard provides support managers with a real-time overview of their support inbox queues, offering a convenient way to check the health and status of ongoing support operations. You can effectively use the live dashboard to gain quick access to your support metrics. This dashboard is located at the top of your analytics page and offers instant insights into the following key metrics. First, Open Conversations tracks all active requests. Unassigned Conversations helps you monitor issues that have not yet been assigned to a team member. And Oldest Open Conversations allows you to keep an eye on the longest pending issues for better prioritization. This dashboard also lends itself to teammate-specific monitoring. You can click here to filter the dashboard by specific team members in the dropdown. Use this to check a teammate's availability, indicated by the bubble on their icon, to see if a teammate is online or available to handle more requests. You can also view assigned conversations to quickly see how many tasks each team member is responsible for. One great feature is the multi-window monitoring. Click here to expand the dashboard into a separate window to keep an eye on things while you continue working. You can also interact directly with the metrics. Clicking on a specific metric will open the related conversations in your inbox for quick action. With Front's live dashboard, support managers have everything they need to maintain the health of their support team's inbox at their fingertips.